Hey guys, welcome back to Tracie's Place. Today I'm here with a plant video. These beautiful mums, they are in need of some care, so I'm going to teach you how to prune your mums so that they'll keep blooming. So the heads of these mums are starting to turn colors, and you can just kind of tell they're getting dingy and old. So you want to cut off these heads. It's called deadheading. And when you take off the heads, snip off the heads of the mums, you're increasing the energy for the new blooms to grow out. All the energy is going to the dead ones, keeping them alive, but you want to grow new blooms. So when you deadhead the mum plant, then it's increasing energy to the new bulbs that'll be coming out, the new mums. So I'm going to show you how to take care of that today. So you just want to go just 1/4 of an inch and cut about like that. That's all you need to deadhead. And you just go all the way around and see which ones you need to deadhead. Just all the ones that are turning or getting bad. Don't be afraid to deadhead. Your plant will grow back. I know a lot of people are scared to deadhead their plants, but you're really helping them. I'm going to show you one of these. It's kind of brown and old. You want to take those off too. And here is the mum. I've gotten all the dead ones off that I could see. So you want to make sure you catch it. Keep a watch on your mum so that they stay beautiful and bright. As you can see, there was a lot here that came off, and a lot kind of off the top and everything. So also your plant needs fertilization. So you want to get a good fertilizer that is rich in nitrogen, and that will help it bloom better and bigger and just be a beautiful mum. So you can put your fertilizer into your water. And I'll list a couple right here, along with down in the drop down description box below this video. I'll list a couple and also link it to Amazon so that you'll be able to get your nitrogen quickly and efficiently. So you want to go ahead and mix your fertilizer, plant food in your water. And make sure you don't water the top of your mums. You want to go down inside and water that way. You can also go underneath near the pot, the actual pot, and water there. Your mums need good sunlight, so make sure there's good sunlight available, and you'll have beautiful mums to last the season. Always make sure that the soil is wet too. And water your mums basically almost daily. Just make sure that they do not dry out. So here's another plant, and it's starting to turn a little bad. I wanted to kind of wait so I could show you how to do this. I don't like to let my mums go this long, but wanted to give you a classic example. See those heads there of the mums? They're turning bad. So we want to get those off. And after pruning, make sure you water and fertilize. Also, the classic shape of a mum is a round dome shape. So to keep that, you can cut the mum back as needed. All right, so that's it. Enjoy your mums all season long. No matter what color, they'll be beautiful around your home. And if you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask down in the comment section. Have a wonderful fall season.